So this is the basic game here. When you press the forward key, it will move forward. With the backward key, it will move backward. With the space, it will jump, and the animation will also change. And also moving forward and backward, the mouth will redirect itself to the arrow key that has been pressed. So here, right and left side, and unless and until the camera is on the enemy is on the area vision of the camera area, then it will start moving. That's the AI it will automatically come towards enemy. I mean, move backward and forward, hit the wall and come back. And if you if you press the control key, then it will hit the enemy, and that will redirect towards you. And you also get 1 point for hitting the enemy with a bullet. And when you hit this blinking bricks, then you can collect the coins and also get points for that. So if you hit here, your points will increase. Here score point is 20, life you have left is 3, and high score till now is 260 point. If you get more than 260 point, then the new high score will be set there. And if you die, if the enemy touches you, then you die. For example, here you die and you have to restart from the beginning, and your life left is now 2. And if you die more than 3 times, then, so for example here, if it touches you, you have only 1 life left. Another way you can die is if you and you can kill the enemy by getting on top of it. And if you fall from this cap, then you will also die, and this screen will come up where you can restart the game. So if you click on restart, you have now the 3 life left, and score is 0, and high score is 260, as it is the highest one. You can kill the enemy, and you can collect those points. And if you go to the end of the game, so here you have to jump around, collect the coins, and you can again with this you can hit the bullet, fire the bullet. And this is the last point where you can enter the door and win the game. So if you touch the window, the door, then you will win the game. And again, another feature that is here is that if you are playing the game and you want to pause the game for a little while, then you can do it with the escape, and you can resume or quit the game. If you press the resume, then you will be at the same place where you press the escape key to pause the game.